Hello and good morning. In my last presentation, I've announced a new feature of our EAM Flex Calendar Plus, the calendar subscriptions, a function which allows to show Maximo work orders in Outlook or any other calendar tool. Today, I want to provide a quick presentation on further improvements of this function. Based on your valuable feedback, we have added a configuration layer enabling multi-language features as well as options to choose which objects and date you want to see in your visualization. That means you are no longer limited to work orders only. My name is Johann Rumpel and I'm Chief Innovation Officer and CEO at EAM Swiss. Let's get started. Our first step will be to review or modify existing mapping definitions. To do so, log into Maximo as an administrator. Go to Administration Calendars and open the Add Modify EAM Calendar Integration dialog. Using this dialog, you can add a new or change an existing mapping. By default, there are two sample mappings available out of the box. Let's take a look at the work order example. Here in the work order example, we see that we need to specify a main object and an application. And then the mapping starts with the summary field. The summary goes into the title of the appointment in Outlook. The location goes into the location of the appointment, and the categories will be used as the categories for the appointment. The description will be the description of the appointment. As you can see, the notation here is the same like you use for communication templates. The most important fields in the calendar appointments are usually the start and the end date. Here we have the ability to specify either a field out of the main object or date fields from a related object, or to specify an automation script to add more flexibility on the determination of the date fields. After the definition of a mapping by administrators or power users, all Maximo users will be able to create their own calendar links following these steps. Log into Maximo and open the default information dialog. Scroll down to the bottom and enter the username, the password. Select an application. In our example, we will do the work order tracking. A query. Let's take all work orders and a mapping. Once we have provided all this information, you can click on the Generate Outlook Calendar link, take it into the clipboard, log out and start Outlook. In the previous steps, we have created a calendar link and copied it to the clipboard. Now it's time to subscribe to this calendar in Outlook. To do so, click on the right mouse button on Other Calendars and add a new calendar from Internet. Paste the link we created before and click the OK button. As you can see, the new calendar appears immediately, and if you take a look into a specific appointment or work order, we see that our mapping we have defined at the beginning takes place here. We have the title, which is the work order, the location, our categories are set, and the description goes into the description field of the appointment. The dates will be determined by two automation scripts and shown from the system. With that, I'm at the end of today's presentation and I hope you liked it. Let us know about any ideas of improvements or visit us under www.eam-swiss.ch for the latest update on this or other useful add-ons for Maximo. Take care. With that, I'm at the end of